Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today is a special episode because this is the anniversary of my stock portfolio. I've been investing for 4 years. As you can see right here, I started my portfolio on September 17th of 2019 with around $2,000. So it's been a while since I told the story of how I started my portfolio, but basically about 8 to 10 years ago, I was working at a car wash and I had a 401k with about $1,200 in it. I worked there for about 3 years and I completely forgot about my 401k. It was in an account, a website called principal.com, which is absolutely horrible. Everything about that job was horrible, from the work to the pay to the benefits, everything. But, anyways, I forgot about my 401k for 3 years and I wanted to start investing and I wanted to use M1 Finance because M1 Finance was free and most of these other stockbrokers wanted to charge you anywhere from $5 to $7 just to make one trade. So when I finally figured out my login for my 401k, the entire 3 years that I didn't look at it, it lost money. Not only did I lose money from the market because the funds that you could buy were probably horrible and I didn't know what to invest in back then. And then also, I think I was paying about $30 in fees every single year to lose money. So I had $1,200. I decided to just cash it all out and take a 10% penalty. So I ended up with a little over $1,000. So as you guys can see there, actually on September 16th of 2019, I deposited $1,064.38. And then I decided I'm just going to put an extra whatever it takes to get to 2,000. And then on September 17th, I bought my first 10 shares, which were $200 into each stock, which is Costco, Colgate, Microsoft, AT&T, McDonald's, Walmart, Johnson and Johnson, Pepsi, Clorox, and Coca-Cola. And now most of these stocks are actually gone. I don't own AT&T, McDonald's, Walmart, or Coca-Cola anymore. But so that's the story of how I started my portfolio. Now let's do a portfolio update. So I have $52,103.78 in my portfolio. And all time, the entire 4 years I've had it, I've only lost $72.02, and I've earned $5,594.04 in dividends. And now let's look at the one day, because on Friday I lost $536.50 or 1.02%. And most of that came from my individual stocks at negative $324.68, followed by SCHD as $149.73, and then real estate down $62.09. Now, if we look at year to date, my portfolio is down $973.15, and I've earned $1,296.47 in dividends. So let's look at the activity feed, what's gone on in the last week. So on September 11th, I received $11.93 from IBM. I deposited my regular $25 every single week, and I had one buy, $49.90 of SCHD, another buy on September 12th of $11.93 of SCHD. And then on the 13th, I received the security lending interest of 1 penny, which is, I believe, M1 Finance takes some of my shares and lends them out to people who I believe are doing margin or taking out loans or something else. And I guess they just paid me 1 penny. So that's kind of interesting. Then on the 14th, I received two dividends, $8.35 from Home Depot, and then $3.45 from Microsoft. And then on the 15th, I received three dividends, another $8.35, but this time from Kellogg's, then $9.59 from O Realty, and then $6.98 from Stag. And so I have $36.74 in my cash balance. And then on Monday, tomorrow, I'm going to get another $25, and that's all going to go into SCHD. Now, if we look at my dividend growth chart and I scroll down, you can see we're a little over halfway through the month of September, and I've earned $92.26 to put me at $1,344.68 for the year. And I'm earning on average $112.06 for the 12 months. And then for this quarter, Q3, I've earned $89.10 on average every single month. And then I'm hoping for September 2023, I break my previous record on June 2023 of $275.52.